1963 Alfa Romeo Giulietta Spider. Price, $16,750. Location, Texas, USA. The year is 1963, and Alfa Romeo is building some of the most beautiful sports cars the world has ever seen. Today, we've discovered a hidden Italian treasure sitting in Texas, a stunning Alfa Romeo Giulietta Spider that looks like it drove straight out of a classic Hollywood movie. Finished in elegant silver paint with a striking red interior. This vintage roadster represents everything enthusiasts love about Italian automotive design. The first thing that grabs your attention is the timeless bodywork, crafted by the legendary Pininfarina. Every curve, every chrome detail, and every line on this Giulietta Spider was designed during an era when cars were created as rolling works of art. Unlike modern vehicles, packed with screens and technology, this Alfa Romeo offers something much rarer: pure driving emotion. Even standing still, it has a presence that commands attention from every angle. The car comes equipped with a 4-cylinder engine, a 5-speed manual transmission, a Solex carburetor, classic Veglia gauges, drum brakes on all 4 corners, and a beautiful 2-spoke steering wheel complete with a horn ring. Details like the black soft top, chrome bumpers, fender-mounted antenna, and period-correct Vredestein Sprint classic tires help preserve the authentic character of this iconic Italian convertible. It's the kind of machine that transports you back to a golden age of motoring every time you sit behind the wheel. But here's where the story gets even more interesting. This Giulietta Spider is currently not running, which means it's waiting for someone with vision, passion, and determination to bring it back to life. For many collectors, that's actually part of the appeal. Restoring a classic. Alfa Romeo isn't just about repairing a car, it's about preserving automotive history. Imagine hearing that engine fire up for the first time after years of silence, and taking this beautiful roadster on its first drive once again. What makes this opportunity even more exciting is the price. At just $16,750, this classic Italian convertible costs less than many modern economy cars. Yet unlike a new vehicle that depreciates over time, rare classics like the Giulietta Spider often attract increasing interest from collectors around the world. While restoration will require time and investment, the reward is owning a piece of automotive heritage that few people will ever experience.